Hi everyone, my name is Tammy and I am part of LaChiMoLaLa. You guys, I'm so excited to unbox SF9's new 11th mini albums. Yay! We've been waiting for this comeback for a very long time and it's finally here and the albums are here. And so I am super excited to go through these photo book albums with you guys. I honestly could not choose which version, and so I wound up getting them both. And I was like, well, I'm not going to feel guilty about it because in the end I'm supporting the guys. And so and then they're supporting me by showing us such amazing photos of them, right? And so, as you can tell, there are two POBs or pre-order benefit photo cards. And I have to say, I cheated a little bit. Well, I guess it's not really cheating if the store worker asked, okay, which members do you want? And I was like, oh my gosh, I get to choose? And so, they were so nice. They let me choose. So I bought these two albums actually in Orange County. It's a great store called K Place. So if you're ever in the area, please stop by. They're a wonderful mom pa store. So anyways, so I was like, okay, I don't know who to choose because they all look fantastic. But you know, I was very sad that, you know, In-sung is not there. He is currently serving his country right now. And so I understand that. So I was like, all right, so he's my bias for SF9 if you didn't already know. So I was like, all right, well, I love all the guys, but I just had a hard time choosing. And, you know, I wound up choosing, can you guys guess? Jaeyoon. Of course I chose him. And look how adorable he is in this photo card. He is so cute. Look at that pose. Ugh. So I was like, all right. And look at his hair all vacationed up and stuff. Oh, please. And then the second person, I was like, well, I chose the vocalist. I should choose someone from the rap line, right? And so I was like, I don't know who to choose. And I'm like, it was a very difficult decision. But I wound up choosing Young. And look at him. Look at that. That is such a soft smile. So adorable. All right. So, now that I got the POBs out of the way, let's get into this. I am gonna go with the closest photo book to me, the Ray of Sun version. How's about that? All right, you guys. I love both of these concepts, and this looks so much fun. It makes me want to vacation. Hopefully I am able to open this with ease. Sometimes I'm just terrible at opening these photo books. All right. So if you guys have not seen the title track, it's called Scream, and it is so memorable. Like, I love the track so much. It's totally a summer bop, and I just, you know, it's something that you could just drive down a Pacific Coast Highway. It's this really long stretch where you could just keep driving and passing by all these beaches. I live close to the beach, and so it's kind of nice just driving on that street sometimes where you could just clear your mind and then you could just listen to Scream because it's such a great song. So, all right, you guys, this is The Wave of 9, And this is the Ray of the Sun version. And so, wow, all right. So look at this material. This is really cool. This is like a nice little green cover to it. Ta-da! I'm gonna put this back. So I'm gonna show you guys. This is what it looks like. The binding says, sorry, the lighting's kind of crazy today. It says the Wave of 9, SF9 11th mini album. And then the back, which are the, you know, the title, the tracks. And I love this right here, you guys. Printed with flame. Mix, so packaging supporting responsible. Oh. I wish I had my glasses on me. I can't read this word. Forestry, of course. I was like, why am I squinting so much? Okay, so this is really cool. So you could take this off if you want to, but why would you? Because it looks so amazing with this together. And so the Wave of 9. Oh, look at the stickers. Here's the stickers. Very tropical. And at the bottom right here, these are all the tracks. Wow, look at all these guys. Of course, the one didn't button up his shirt. Ray of the Sun. Aw, Jaeyoon. With an orange right here, I see. Okay, okay. Oh, it's such a soft spot. I love this. These photos are so cute of him. Like, please. His theme must be with like oranges. Oh, look at that. So cute. I cannot with this man. Oh, I love this. So it's green. Lyrics composed by, arranged by. And then here are the lyrics. And all the credits right here at the bottom. He's so cute. I love his like wavy hair that's going on in this era. Oh. Rose Bowl, you guys. January 1st, 1992. What? Oh my gosh. Okay, so Rose Bowl is actually a venue in Pasadena, California, which isn't too far away from me. Oh, look at his sweet smile. He's so cute right here. Look how adorable he is right here. Like, ah. Ugh. Ah, Dewan. Oh, do they have like a specific fruit? Each person? Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, look at that. So handsome. Look at this. I got Jaeyoon right here. Surfboard. So cute. Oh. Ugh. So cute. Ah, this is one of my favorite pictures of him. I know, I'm still going through his pictures right now. Like, why am I saying that? But he looks so cute right here, you guys. Oh. Ah. Well, there goes the surprise factor for the photo card. So, I got Taeyang. Yay! Ah, When I first got into SF9, he was my first bias. I fancy dancers, by the way. But anyways, look at the one. I love how they have like lyrics in between all these photos too. How fun is that? Oh, he has such a sweet smile. Look at that. Looks like he's having a blast. I wonder where they took pictures of all these photos. Hopefully they traveled somewhere nice. Oh, look at him. Look at his long eyelashes. You guys notice that? They're absolutely gorgeous. And they are natural, you guys. Natural. Oh. Look how adorable he is. Zuho! Ah! He looks so adorable here. And look at this. This is so funny. Okay. Oh, I like this picture of him with the glasses. Oh, and I love all these like accessories too. Summertime bounce. And Zuho with these glasses. Oh my gosh, like stop. And like look, there's Wee Young. Ah, this is such a cute. What is this? Like a photo or like a postcard? So cute. I love how it has like a little wave right here too. It's like a little surprise as I keep turning like these pages. Like what? I'm doing this on purpose. Okay. Look at that. Oh, he's surfing right here. So cute. So cute. So okay, so he has like sunglasses right here. He looks so great, huh? Ugh. No. Jaeyoon, Chani, and Huyoung. All these unit pictures. Swan, Taeyang, and Zuho. Oh, look at Taeyang. Oh my gosh. His skateboard. Oh, he looks so soft right here. I love that. Oh, he looks so good. Ugh. These guys look so fantastic. Oh. Driver is my favorite song off the album. So good. My favorite photo of Taeyang. I love this. I love his smile. I take that back. This is my favorite picture of Taeyang. They're all great though. Young. Oh, look at this. It's so cute. Ah. All right, he is wearing this cardigan with, it's very low cut. Thought I'd point that out. Oh, this is a great photo of him. I love these pictures of him. He is just soaking up the sun, you guys. This makes sense why it says like ray of the sun, right? Crazy, crazy love. Oh, this is such a cute picture. I love this picture. Oh my goodness. I love that picture of him. He's so adorable. Ah. Oh my gosh, he's so adorable. Oh my gosh. Okay. Like, perfection. He's like made for the camera. Like, is he a model? My goodness. Chani. Oh, he looks so good. Sorry guys, the lighting is a little bit weird tonight. There you go. I just want to show you guys, maximize this wonderful picture right here to show you how wonderful and handsome he looks. I love this. Ugh. He looks so good. It's a great picture of Chani. Love how he's pulling on his shirt. So cute. Yeah, look at him. He's grabbing the surfboard. Very pensive right here. Oh, Frisbee. I love this right here. This looks like a fun action shot. Oh, someone made him laugh. This is a candid photo. He looks so great. This is my favorite picture of Chani. Oh, I love how they're all smiling right here. Oh, who told a joke? Someone must have told a joke. Was it genuine? I love it. Maybe it's Chani because they're, I don't know. They all look so cute. Ray of the sun. Look at that. Group photo right here, you guys. So I have to say the binding to this isn't that great. Look how it's already doing this already. I didn't even press it that hard. My goodness. Okay, and that is and then the really cool CD, which I don't have a CD player, which is kind of ironic that I got this, but I mean, who has a CD player these days? I'm buying it because they are amazing. Alright, so this is what I got. Stickers. Oh, let me move this down. Again, sorry guys, like my lighting's a little bit weird tonight. We got stickers, and look at this. And then paying, and then my POB. Ta-da! Alright, so I love this concept. They are so cute and so soft. Like, oh, looks so great. Okay, so then that is Ray of the Sun version. And then now we are going to move on to the Chillin at Night. And I wonder which version I'll like better. I know I keep saying this, I honestly could not choose, but at least this time, like, I'm able to see all the pictures, and so I'll have a better bearing of which photo album I'll really, really love. But honestly, I'll love them both, please. It's SF9. They look so great and so handsome. There's not one bad photo of them. Ta-da! Wave. The wave of 9. And I love how it says the wave of 9. Because they are 9. So, same thing. Ta-da! I'm going to show the back right here. That's what it looks like. How funny, like this, the other one, like when I kept turning the pages, like they have one by one. So I'm gonna since, yeah, I'll look at this at the end. Missing much back here? All right, let's get into the photo book. Okay, wave of 9. Because there are 9 members, you guys. Look at this great group photo. Ah, they look so good. Chilling at night. You guys, Jay, looks so good. Look at his bomber jacket right here. Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh, look at him. He's holding grapes. Ah! Looks so good. I love this bomber jacket on him. Ah, it looks like he's in deep thought. I like that strawberry cupcake. Oh. Look at him. Oh my gosh. Look at him. Oh, so good. Oh my goodness. It looks so good. Doesn't he look great, you guys? Oh my gosh. Wow. Of course, he's not wearing a shirt under. Not that I noticed or anything. Okay, someone is doing chest day. Oh, I love how they have the lyrics in between once again. And look, Dawan! I love this shirt that he's wearing. Oh my gosh. Look at him. Model face. Gosh, all these guys, they know how to pose. They look great. Ah, look at the light. Look at that gentle smile. Adorable. Ah, this is such a good. Looks so great. Oh, Devon. Wow. Okay. Okay. Looks so great. Ah. Zuho! Oh, now he's holding the orange. That looks like an orange. I like his bomber jacket too. It's a nice color on him. Oh my gosh, Beth would love this picture. This would be like, she would say, ooh, look at the bedroom eyes. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's a strawberry here too. That. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah, he looks so great in these photos. Like, wow. Ah! Alright, well, this was supposed to be a surprise. I like to unveil the photo cards at the end. But that's okay. It's Dewan. You guys see him. They've been hiding all their inclusions like in random spots and not all in one spot like they normally do. Like, come on! Ah! Okay. This is a nice group photo right here. What's up, Tae? Oh, look at... I got Jaeyoon again! Jaeyoon! Yay! This is so cute. And I love the stickers. Adorable. this is a cupcake. Ah! I like these shirts. They're so retro. Has a retro feel to them. You know what I mean? Oh boy. That is... Wow. Okay. Yeah. I'm not lost for words. It looks great. Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh, love how he's staring into the camera like that. Wow. Young. I love this. I love this photo of him. Fun. Oh, I didn't know he had a tattoo back here. Now I know. Oh, he looks great. Ah. Oh my gosh. He's like biting his thumb. And the way that he's like standing and posing in his leather pants. Oh my gosh, he looks so great. It's like he's feeling the breeze. I love it. I love his long hair. He looks so great with long hair. Some guys don't look great with long hair, but he does. He looks fantastic. Wow. Johnny! Oh, he's eating that grape. Wow. He looks great. Oh, love it. So good. Oh, this is such a soft smile of him. Love it. I love this group photo. They all look great. Oh, here's a close up. They all look amazing. Like they all went camping in an RV. Oh, look at that. And again, the binding. Look at the binding to this. Oh, so frustrating. All right, you guys. So this was the Chillin night version, and let me show you what I got in here. Ta-da! Oh, and I didn't show you guys the postcard. Let's see who I got. Bam! Johnny! What's up, Johnny? Oh my gosh, he looks so soft in here. And of course, the POB. Yeah. Ta-da! They are all so handsome. My goodness. This is super fun. Alright, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful unboxing of SF9's 11th mini album. Yes, I said it, 11th mini album. And if you guys can, purchase their physical product to support the guys. This album is so good. It's such a summer album. I listened to all the tracks, and I know I mentioned this earlier, but Driver is my favorite song off of the album. The title track is Scream. It's so catchy. If you have not seen the music video, you totally should. And if you have, you should put it on repeat. So, you guys, thank you so much for joining me. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. And my name is Tammy, and I am part of LaChiMoLaLa. And thank you so much for joining me on this again, and I'll see you next time. 안녕.